Hello, my name is Alex, and today we are going to assemble yet another belted extruder. You need to collect all parts, as you can see here. As well, you need to have such tools. We can start from inserting bearings into parts. Make sure that part is cleaned from some fail print. Do not apply a lot of pressure on it, because you can easily break the plastic part. Basically, you can do it by finger. Yes, like this. And 3 more into this part. Make sure that bearings are kind of in parallel with the surface, like here. Then we need to assemble wheel holders. For this purpose, you have to take one bearing and 2 M5 washers. Make sure that by flat side of washer you touch the bearing. Place washers from both sides of bearing and insert it in a part. After this, make sure that washer is on the center of hole and screw it with a M5 screw by 10 millimeters. Make sure that screw here is not exceeding, not going out of plastic part. Assemble one more. Now, with this operation, you need to make sure for what kind of wheel you are assembling. So, I'm assembling this wheel, so I need to place a screw from this side. Okay, we are all set with preparations. Let's start from small rods by 40-42 millimeters. Just insert them in long side bearings. Place there on each rod by one washer with flat side to bearing, same as in wheels. Then place one GT220 tooth gear pulley. Pulley has to be mounted by nut down. Yes, now we are going to make this operation. Same for here. Place on the top of each pulley one more washer with flat side to up. And collect all your pulleys by one 130 millimeter belt, GT2 belt. Okay, like here. Now they are a bit of tightened, so will not go far away from us. And you can cover it by top part. This is a bit of hard operation because you need to under pressure take all 3 holes in once. As well, you need to place drive gears here and here. Do not tighten anything. It is possible to do in the end. Okay. Yep. We pointed it. Now you need to adjust a bit of all rods that they will fit just in a place. Now we are ready to step 2, let's say, globally step 2. Place your motor by that side where wirings has to go. I would like to have them from this side, so place free washer before screw and mount it with a screw. Now you can place small gear on a motor and 48 tooth gear on a shaft. Make sure that they are gonna be placed for belt. And take a look if you have printed gears that your screws will not touch small gears in my case. So in my case I need to flip the side of big gear. Okay, I probably have to print smaller gear, but after this operation, when you're done with mounting everything here like this, after this operation you just need to assemble everything. Two long screws you need to place where the wheels are mounted. Unscrew a bit to have them loose. Make sure that they are free to move. And place this long bolt in here, then your spring from extruder, and then washer, sometimes happens. And on top of it nut. Here you don't need to have a lot of pressure, so just a couple of turns gonna be enough. Now take the small ones and screw them in here. Okay, now everything are on their places. As well, you have to squeeze in your fittings. And from other side, it is very important to have these ones from both sides, because if you will use only from side of hot end, then other side filament after a while will start to squeeze over your part. If you have such situation as a cracked detail, it's not very dangerous to use such, because there is no load and fitting still will be there in a place. So just tighten all your gears, pulleys, everywhere. Make sure that it's everything tightened. Through these windows you have access to all pulleys inside, and you are ready to go.